there is a better way. And, I'm going to show you an example with Data Studio. There are other tools and solutions which can do this, but I want to focus on Data Studio today because it's pretty new and it's pretty accessible and easy to use. So I want to kind of guide you through that one. So essentially, setting up all your data sources, you can kind of connect them in very easily. And, as they automatically update, Data Studio will be able to handle that and be as fresh as your data is. We've got all these native connectors, which is great. They get adding more and more all the time. For now we've got ours here, and you basically put them all into one, they go into Data Studio, and you can start spitting out reports which people can get access to. You build the dashboards which work for you, and it's very easy to share and collaborate. The functionality is very much like Google Drive, where you can control who views and edits stuff. So it's pretty simple, but equally protects your data and your information. It's easy to iterate and update your work. Everyone has like one URL. There's no need to have multiple versions of Excel flying around anymore, which is kind of good. And just one URL. So everyone's off the same page. No confusion. Okay, so that's the problem solved, right? Easy. Got all the data, slam it into a chart. That's brilliant. But I think the biggest problem is you've got to figure out what you want to put into your dashboards and how do you build this holistic view. And just because you can put data in doesn't mean you should. So you can come up with these horrible little dashboards which look pretty, or we think they look pretty, but they're not actually adding anything. So the challenge here is to kind of figure out what you need as a company and as a user, and this is what your analyst should be doing. But the great news is Data Studio kind of overcomes all that and makes that part easy because they don't have to worry about getting the data in, editing it, changing the views, distributing. They can now focus on being a UX designer, even if they didn't realize they were doing this. And I had this revelation a job ago, and it was brilliant. You can hear more about this journey on this video here. But basically I realized, wow, I'm in this trusted position where I know how to build things. I understand my audience, and it's my job to get the right information in front of the right people and, align to their KPIs and align to the business needs, which is really exciting. So you've got to start designing your dashboards for your end users. Establishing KPIs, what's your business trying to solve? And you're going to adapt. Your business isn't going to stay static. So how do you adapt and change and get that feedback? And how do you see how your users use the data and how to use the dashboard? You've got to be receptive to this and responsive and, change things accordingly and collect that feedback and update as you need. But again, it's really easy, and it allows you to just focus on that stuff rather than having to worry about maintaining all this. You can just focus on updating, getting feedback and iterating, because you know that everyone's pointing at that one link, and when you make a change, it updates. And we'll see that coming up.